Is your Windows PC feeling sluggish? It's probably drowning in hidden junk files that you did not even know existed. But there is a simple pro trick to wipe out them in seconds. First, you need to hit the Window key on your keyboard. And now type CMD and make sure you select Run as Administrator to give the system the permission it needs. Once the black terminal window pop-ups, type the exact command del/q/f/s space %temp and hit enter. This command tells Windows to forcefully and quietly secure your entire temporary directory and delete every unnecessary file it finds, instantly reclaiming your storage spaces and cleaning up system clutter. If you see a full message saying files could not be deleted, don't panic. That's perfectly normal because those specific files are currently being used by Windows or open apps. It's a simple but highly effective way to keep your machine running lean, so grab the command from the description and try it out for yourself. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.